exposing the tax traps that can wash away your retirement savings. Let's keep your money safe. All right, folks. Imagine retiring with no tax worries. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. First, consider a Roth IRA. You pay taxes now and your withdrawals later are tax-exempt. That's right, tax-exempt. Next up, health savings accounts or HSAs. Triple tax benefits. Contributions, growth, and withdrawals for medical expenses, all tax-advantaged. And here's a pro tip. Think about other tax-advantaged strategies. Payouts are usually tax-exempt. So, there you have it. Roth IRAs, HSAs, and other tax-exempt strategies. Contact a retirement strategist to learn more about a tax-advantaged retirement. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time? Right now. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tips to secure your financial future. Stay savvy, friends.